So, hello everyone. Today we will learn how to cook egg curry. Okay, so with me I have only eggs. Okay, only 5 eggs I have, and I want to eat today egg curry. And seriously, I don't have any other items which required in egg curry. So, how I'm going to cook, just stay and watch. So I'll show you that 5 eggs. I already keep it for the getting boiled. You can see here. Here 5 eggs are there, and nothing else I have, seriously. Now I'll show you how I'm going to prepare it. ఎగ్ కర్రీ ఎట్లా చేస్తారు? గుడ్లు కర్రీ.
గుడ్లు కర్రీయా
ఆ.
ఉడకబెడతాము.
ఫస్ట్ ఉడకపెడతాం.
ఆ.
ఉడకపెట్టేసిన తర్వాత
ఉడకబెట్టి మన అవి మన ఉల్లిగడ్డలు
ఉల్లిగడ్డలు లేవు.
లేవా నేను ఇస్తా కదా.
టమాటోస్ లేవు.
నాతో ఉన్నది నేను ఇస్తా.
మిర్చి లేదు.
నేను ఇస్తాదా?
సరే,
ఆ,
ఫస్ట్
నీకు
ఉడకపెట్టాలి, తర్వాత అన్ని వేసేసి పెట్టేసాలా?
ఆ,
సరే. ఓకే, సో
ఉల్లిగడ్డలా?
ఫైనల్లీ ఆంటీ మనకి చెప్పేసింది ఎట్లా చేయాలి. ప్రొసీడ్ చేద్దాం. ఐ కేమ్ అవుట్ సైడ్ టు ఆస్క్ ఆల్ ది ఐటమ్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ ది ఎగ్ కర్రీ. Okay, first we will ask the recipe how to make egg curry. Actually, I don't know at all. I know only like first we need to boil the egg, and that I already did. So first we'll ask the recipe. Okay. Kavita ma'am, are you there? Kavita ma'am, are you there?
Yes.
Ma'am, I will give you 2 eggs, ma'am. Please don't mind. Give me 2 tomatoes. You know batter system. You know batter system. Yes, ma'am. Like exchanging goods.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am. Here 2 eggs I'm giving. See.
Oh, okay. I'm
2
also
tomatoes.
giving 2 tomatoes.
Give me 2 tomatoes. Here 2 tomatoes. Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. Actually, I'm preparing egg curry, ma'am.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here in front of the Odisha, ma'am. I want you to know the process of Odia egg curry. So, ma'am is going to share with us. Yes, you can share. Yes. Ma'am is laughing. Please, ma'am, share. I don't know. Seriously, I wanted to cook. I already put it on like stove for boiling.
Okay.
Yes.
So, good evening, whoever is in front of me. It's Amita from Odisha, and I'm very glad to share my ideas on the recipe of egg curry. And
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a good cook, still I'll try.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So first, what we do is boil the eggs.
Okay.
If you want to add potatoes into that, you also boil potatoes. Then what you'll do after eggs are boiled, peel off the eggs just to give it a fry.
Ah.
The eggs, okay, so that you'll have a good smell also. But sometimes I prefer not frying the eggs because without frying the eggs are like more what I'll say, more good to our health. That is why I sometimes skip frying the eggs.
Okay.
And then
So
the process,
boiling is good, more better than the fried.
yes,
Okay. Okay.
obviously,
Okay. Good.
because you'll get the protein whatever is there in the
Complete
egg.
okay. Okay.
But when you
Fry
fry
means
it,
it will go. Right, ma'am.
good. So we'll start now cooking.
Yes.
Take the pan, heat
like
it,
normal
yes, heat it,
vegetable things.
oil, then you put some like seasoning things like mustard or like jeera, whatever seasoning things you have, you can put it. And then once it like it's ready, you can take chili, like green chilies or dried chilies also you can take, some curry leaves and that. And sometimes I prefer heating the oil till it gets little bit red.
Okay.
So it will give the color to the curry.
Wow.
And then onions will go, chopped onions will go, fry it, then tomatoes will go,
Okay.
then
Masalas.
masalas, haldi, namak, everything will go, mix it, and then
Pour water.
pour water. Make sure you have a good gravy also
Gravy, yes.
for the curry, and then put potatoes, the boiled potatoes. Some potatoes you can mash it so that it will give you more gravy.
Okay.
And then some potatoes you can leave like in its shape. Then
Sure, I
mix
will
the
follow
egg,
the-
stir it, give it a boil, add some water, give it a boil, and yes, it's ready.
Thank you, ma'am. Definitely, I'll try, and I hope that I'll cook in the same way with
Okay,
good
sure.
gravy.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, do you have chilies?
Yes, ma'am, I have. How
Ma'am,
many?
I want 5 chilies, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please, ma'am, give. Thank you, ma'am. I'm ready to prepare. So, as I informed you that we are going to ask the items whatever is required in order to cook the egg curry. So, yes, you will not believe, but I asked these all items, but few of the items videos only I showed you, right? So, here is onions which I asked, and the tomatoes, chili, and this seasoning seeds that also I asked. So, let's start the process which Amita shared with me. We'll try to follow it, okay? So here is our eggs, and I need to remove this peel, but I'm not going to do that work. So I'll assign this work to Tulsi madam. Tulsi madam is going to remove the uh, peel of this egg or cell of this egg. You can call cell also. Till then I just So I started chopping with onion. Then I have to chop the chilies, tomatoes. Because of these onions, I'm getting water in my eye. I never try when in bad situation, but because of these onions, get all water. Where is the lighter? Tulsi ma'am? Yeah, I got it. So here the lighter. Let's start. I don't know how to on this. Finally. So I on the gas. I'm putting this wok on stove. I'm trying to wait to get dry the water inside the wok. Let's not get dry. Now I'm pouring the oil. 2 spoon oil will be enough, I guess. Not tablespoon, big spoon. Yes. And you might be not getting my voice properly. I'm pouring the seeds. All seeds I poured. I'll put the chili. Yes. Let it get little bit brownish color. So you can just everything, you know, everything. I want lid so that I can cover it. So I'll pour this water first. Now I'll bring it. Little bit, yes, I'm putting the chopped onions. Because it's too hot. First time I'm making curry, just imagine. I never tried cooking, this is the first time, and even in that, I curry. So now see how it's turned into this brownish color. Now just have to add this to the whole pie. It's already been into shell. Now I'm chopping the tomatoes. The cooking wok. I don't know why people say that. So I already chopped tomatoes. अब इसमें थोड़ा शेक करना पड़ेगा है ना, वरना क्या होगा ये स्मॉल स्मॉल होल्स in it. Otherwise what it will look happen, it will come out from the wok. It will blast. Yes, फूटेगा ये. So that we need to do it with small small holes in it. And this side. So now I need to pour salt in it. This will put the turmeric powder. Turmeric powder. Next, I have to pour salt. So now I have to put it in. नीचे से look. So we are getting tata salt. How? Too much. That is it. So forward. Now we need to wait till when it will completely moves or like it converts into the gravy. So then you have to wait to just close the lid and just wait till then. I'll show you the outside view. Oh my god, because I'm cooking actually due to that or what I don't know, but it's raining outside. With sunlight. Sunlight is also there and raining. See how good it's looking like? Yeah. So let's come back again. Stay there and watch, okay? Now I'm searching the chili powder which I'm asking one of my friend to give, and she is telling it is somewhere. Where it is, Tulsi? Utensils bag, huh? So here, she's saying that it's here. We'll check where it is in this. Salt packet. No chili. Huh? Okay. No. We want chili, otherwise the taste will not come without chili. If possible, come fast, man. Just search for it and give to me. Till then I'm putting egg in this, okay? So just come and give to me. Oh, ये ज़्यादा हो गया. Come. Don't worry, nothing happens. Now pour egg in this. Put egg in this. Okay, chili powder. We are waiting still for chili powder. और दिन का हम बिरयानी चाहिए. अब इसको लेने जाते हैं ना. So another way. Tulsi ma'am. Yeah, please come and give fast. Because it's more salty this food. I want one cloth. Yes. There you go. So here chili powder, I'm pouring this also in this in huge quantity so that taste will get, because everyone loves here chili except me. Even I do, but not too much. Is it enough? More? See, more she is saying. Enough? Now we need to give her new packet. So our egg curry is ready. Hey, do you want me to pour water in this? No? Then give the water also. Or let it be for 2 or 3 minutes so that this egg will absorb. With that small holes which I make in it. So see, seriously, it's looking very yummy and tasty. I don't know, I'm not going to eat, but yes, it's looking very tasty and yummy. Colorful लग रहा है ना? Tulsi, ఏమని అనుకోకుండా అక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి first one it is water. It is also an ingredient which is required to make it egg curry, not egg fry. In egg fry no need water, but in egg curry you can add water if you want, or else more oil. Okay, a tomato or any other gravy that you can add in this. So as you see that I am not using at all too much masalas. Only turmeric powder, chili powder, only 2 powders. That's it. I will use the coriander powder. And only 2 tomatoes and chili, that's it. I don't know how the taste is going to be, but yes, it's looking really tasty. I told you, I know that you are also getting the saliva from your mouth to eat this, but I can't give. Okay, so as madam told us that pour little bit water so that you get better taste and good absorption in the eggs. So eggs will absorb this properly. Okay, even masalas will get proper cooked. So for that, you need to check it. You need to mix it properly, and at least 2 or 3 times you need to pour water and mix it. Okay. So these kind of videos I'm going to bring more and more, not related to like cooking and all that, no, but only and only to do the practice of speaking. Actually today was the first day, so and because of the climate condition is not good at all, so due to that I'm able to explain each and everything, that how we can use these all activities to like to do the practice of speaking English. Okay. So I'm able to make in that perspective, but next video onwards, every Sunday I'll try to make, and I will keep sure that highlight the things like how you have to use the daily activities, how you can convert that things into the speaking practice. Okay. So today you can call that, yes, it's also a kind of practice for me, which I try to make, but it will become better when I do it again and again. Okay. And the same thing you have to also do for the practicing of spoken English. Don't think that this channel converted into cooking channel. No, not at all. I don't do cooking at all. Seriously, just for speaking practice I make, that's it. I'll show you another way. So let's see. Wow, yummy. So see ma'am, how it's looking nicer. Super. Oh my god. Please just see the salt. Karam. What? Too much salt? Enough. Then chili. I'll add little water. Yes. Kaveri will also come in evening. Right. Too much chili means when you will take the egg pieces, it will be fixed. This rice you will eat, so it will fix well. So you like finally? Oh, challenge. Just appreciate yourself. Show little love towards yourself because you could really nice. Now your waiting time over. I'll show you now how. Okay. So this is the curry which I am cooking. Okay. It's nice. You see, it's looking nice, right? Of course, it will be nice. So this is the egg curry which I prepared today. I hope whoever will eat it, they will love. Okay, and we'll ask their feedback also in next video. How they felt, and I'll share it with you all. Okay. So bye guys, and please do the practice of the activity whatever you are doing on regular basis. Just try to speak it out. Yeah, I know that it's really very difficult to convert that all activities in a form of sentence because today I practiced that. Today I did in the real life. So it's really difficult to catch the thing and do the practice and do the activity with that. But we need to do it. Okay. Yes.
Dugu, you know Telugu?
Dugu, come here.
You know Telugu?
I'll show you my baby, okay? Yes, I have a baby. Say Dugu. Hello, say everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
See, how is the egg curry done? Nice? Nice?
Again,
Finally, I succeed. Oh my god, Bittu is also here. Bittu, say hello. Say hello. There. In camera.
Bye bye.
Go ahead. So these two kids are the kids of. Hey, don't go there. What happened, Bittu? And the campus. They are really very friendly. Yes, done, ma'am. Please do comment how it's looking. See. See. How it's looking? Nice. Oh my god, madam, give me one kiss, for this recipe. Seriously? Not joking. Oh god, sure. Seriously, not joking. Hey, see, I have ever used these kind of words. Seriously, not joking at all. It's common, right? Now they make it as a fun. And these lines are dedicated only and only to me. Whenever they say to me, they say, seriously, ma'am, not joking at all. Okay, done.